Previously, we installed this Free Spirit Aspen Light XL tent on the Jeep, and we ended up having to take off the awning that was on to get the tent on there, and I had debated about whether or not I wanted to put that awning back on or not. And to be honest with you, I was so happy with the quality of the Free Spirit tent that I went ahead and ordered one of their awnings. Now, I had looked at upgrading from our ARB awning that had been on the Jeep for, well, I've had it for a couple, 3 years now, to one of the 270-degree awnings. And so UPS dropped this off in the mail, or dropped this off in a driveway. And so that is our 270-degree awning by Free Spirit Recreation. And we're gonna put it on the Jeep today. All right, welcome to another episode of Beyond the Driveway. And today we are gonna add on or unbox, open up, install, and test out the Free Spirit Recreation 270-degree awning. All right, it comes right out of the box. You can see the nice heavy-duty brackets, 3 of them, and then well, that's disappointing. As it turns out that I am missing all of the hardware for that awning. So the awning is there, the brackets are there, but the hardware to install the brackets onto the awning, as well as some of the necessary poles and ropes to strap down the edges in case of like high wind or things like that, none of that's there. So I just sent them an email, and hopefully we'll get that hardware kit in here soon. So I guess that's kind of gonna wrap this up for today. I'm kind of disappointed that we weren't able to get it set up and put on, but sometimes that's the way it goes. Sometimes you buy stuff and the right stuff just isn't there. So stay tuned. As soon as we get that hardware kit, we'll finish the installation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.